So tonight, as you can tell, large storm, lots of rain, lots of trees that apparently have blown down, and massive instant flooding around certain intersections. We've been essentially going around from University by about 12th all the way up here to about, the end of campus. Lots and lots of downed trees. It's pretty nasty. Some cars have been hitting some stuff that probably they shouldn't, and we've been clearing it. And there's been certain intersections, like being done to the side of me here, where we're clearing out the water so there's not so much flooding and clearing out debris as we can see it. All in all, I think pretty decent night. Doing a little community service, probably in ways questionable maybe. But you know what? We're doing a public service, and we're just helping out in small ways where we can and not getting ourselves hurt in the process. So I think all in all, good night, and hopefully better tomorrow morning.
And again, that's Robert Valley from NDSU. Back to you.